Welcome to the World Drone Market channel. Today we bring you an unboxing video of the CUAV Nora Flight Controller. Nora Plus is an advanced autopilot designed by CUAV, featuring an STM32H7 series processor with higher performance than the previous generation PX4 Flight Controller. It integrates high-precision industrial-grade sensors and ultra-low drift sensors. Compared to the previous generation flight controller, it offers better performance, higher reliability, and can seamlessly run the ArduPilot firmware. This makes it an ideal choice for academic research and commercial system integration. The Nora Plus Smart Controller is a derivative version of the CUAV Nora. Nora Plus replaces Nora and is fully compatible with ArduPilot 4.1.0 PX4 version 1.12.3 and higher versions of the firmware. Nora Plus supports monitoring the voltage of the servo ports, with a maximum input voltage of 10 V for the servo ports. There are no other differences. The Nora Flight Controller uses the STM32H743 series processor with a Cortex-M7 core, which increases the operating frequency to 480 MHz. With 2 MB of flash and 1 MB of RAM, meeting the higher computing demands of the flight controller. Compared to the STM32F7 series, the dynamic power consumption efficiency is doubled. The modular design supports custom carrier boards. The Nora Plus features an integrated design that is smaller and lighter. The CUAV Nora Plus flight controller dimensions are 46 by 64 by 22 mm, with a weight of 87 g. The PM operating voltage is 4.5-5.5 V. Working temperature is -20 to 85 degrees Celsius, and memory is 1 MB. Interfaces: URT serial ports, connect to the telemetry system, RSSI for signal strength return module. GPSandUI. Connect Neo Series GPS or CRDK9P, including GPS, safety switch, buzzer interface. URT4. Can be used to connect to GPS, can be used as a second GPS. Telem1, Telem2. Connect to the telemetry system. DSU7. Used for FMU chip debugging, read debug device information. I2C. Connect an I2C device such as an external compass. CAN1, CAN2. Connect WAFCAN devices such as CAN GPS. USB. ADC. Analog signal detection. Type-C. Connect to a computer for communication between the flight controller and the computer, such as loading firmware. TF card. SD card for log storage. Power A. Connect power module. Power input with analog voltage and current detection. Do not use a digital PM on this connector. Power C. Please connect CAN PMU SE to this interface. This interface is connected to WAFCAN power module. M1 M14. PWM signal output port which can be used to control motors or steering gears. And M1 M12 also support SHOT protocol. CAN1. Connect WAFCAN devices such as CAN GPS. RCIN. Including DSM, SBUS, RSSI signal input interface. DSM interface can be connected to DSM satellite receiver, SBUS interface to connect SBUS remote control receiver. Box contents: Nora Plus Autopilot X1, USB Type-C cable X1, CAN PMU SE power module X1, CAN extension board X1, I2C 12C CAN cable X1, RSI cable X1, DuPont cable X1, ADC 3.3 cable X1, PWLink module X1. Stickers. This is all that is included in the box. Thank you for watching. To learn more, please stay tuned to the World Drone Market channel. See you in the next video.